Plastic recycling is not turning out to be as sustainable as believed, as less than 50% of products made from this material are recycled, and in many countries, recycling processes are not even followed. That's why it's most important to avoid its use. In this thedailyEco video, we explain 10 ways to use less plastic. Pay attention and take notes. 1. Bring your own bag when you go shopping. This simple gesture reduces a large number of plastic bags. Many places now offer biodegradable plastic bags, and although this option is better than using the regular plastic bag, using reusable bags will always be the more sustainable choice. 2. Avoid single-use cups and plates. Instead of resorting to single-use cups and plastics that can't be recycled when organizing events, try using reusable ones, even though they may require cleaning afterward. 3. Use reusable straws. Don't use single-use plastic straws for drinking liquids, or if you do, make sure they are reusable. Straws, in addition to being non-recyclable, are hazardous to animals, as they may mistake them for food and end up choking on them. 4. Buy bulk foods. More and more stores are adopting this method. In the end, people have the power. If we demand stores that sell their products in bulk, over time, there will be more establishments offering this service. 5. Avoid bottled water. Some areas lack proper water purification systems, and their residents are forced to consume bottled water. In contrast, others are fortunate to live in places with high-quality tap water. In these cases, using a glass bottle to fill up with tap water is a good alternative. Another idea is to get a homemade or purchased water filter, allowing you to drink tap water and stop using plastic bottles. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. Do you know how long it takes for plastic to degrade? A. Between 10 and 100 years. B. Between 50 and 500 years. C. Between 100 and 1000 years. Think carefully because you can check your answer at the end of the video. 6. Avoid single-use coffee capsules. If you want to help the environment, avoiding the use of coffee capsules is a good option since they cannot be recycled. Many stores already offer reusable capsules, allowing you to refill them with coffee and continue using your coffee maker. 7. Use containers. Try to always use containers to store or transport food. There's no need to wrap everything in plastic or foil. 8. Pay attention to packaging before buying. Don't buy products that are unnecessarily wrapped. For example, eggs in plastic trays and packaging, or fruits and vegetables in polystyrene trays and plastic bags. Also, always opt for products that come in eco-friendly packaging. 9. Repurpose containers. Reuse all plastic containers possible. For example, you can store things at home in cardboard or plastic boxes you've accumulated from purchases, such as shoe boxes. 10. Recycle containers. As a last resort, if you can't find any more use for the container, recycle it properly. Place it in the yellow bin if it's plastic, a can, or a Tetra Pak, or take it to a recycling center or drop-off point if it's non-recyclable plastic. And returning to the question we asked earlier, have you thought about it? The correct answer is C. Plastic is a material that takes a long time to decompose. Depending on the type of plastic, it takes between 100 and 1000 years to degrade. Tell us, how else do you reduce plastic usage? Until next time, environmentalists.